promised me that you're going to take me to America and help me to find a job. And now you're planning to rape me?
I'm gonna help you. You're gonna give me what I want.
No! Let me go! Animal ka!
Come on! Come on! You like it like that, huh? So do I. Let's have fun. Come on.
Sige! Sige!
Whoa!
Subukan mo!
Not like that. Not like that.
Sige, leg mo!
Not like that.
Hello? Aling Helen, bakit kayo po sumasagot ng telepono? Nasaan po si Gani? Nasaan po yung ama ko?
Hindi na siya dito tumutuloy.
Ano pong ibig niyo sabihin? Saan po sila napunta? Nasaan po yung ama ko, Aling Helen?
Kahapon, pag alis mo, umalis na rin siya. May mga dala ding malita.
Hello? Are you alright, miss?
Thank you. I'm lost. I lost my daughter, my husband. Iniwan nila ako. Iniwan ako ng anak ko. Iniwan ako ng asawa ko. I lost them.
I guess we're the same. My mom left me a few years ago. Dad says she already has a new family.
Anong name mo?
I'm Matthew.
Han Mayumi. Huwag ka nang sad. Nalay mo, one day makita mo yung mami mo, di ba? Smile ka na.
That would be awesome. I hope she's as nice as you. Who knows? You might find your daughter too.
Sana. Asan ang daddy mo?
Oh, he's still inside the restaurant with my younger brother, Drew.
Halika na. Ihatid kita. Baka mamaya nahanap ka ng daddy mo.
Come on, I'll introduce you to Dad and Drew.
Halika na.
May nahanap na po kami lead kung nasaan si Gani Karingal.
Salamat.
Sisend ko na lang po sa inyo yung address niya. Pero...
Ano?
patay na ho si Gani Karingal. Pero may naiwan po siyang anak na babae.
Hindi man lang ako nakahingi ng tawag sa kanya. Sana kung saan man siya naroon, sana mapatawad niya ako.